Hello there. This is a lovely example of the Mokka Exclusive 1.4 turbo in metallic red. Stylish and practical MPV. Got plenty of specifications including front and rear parking sensors, DAB radio, dual zone climate control. You've also got Bluetooth connectivity, media controls from the steering wheel and automatic lights. Isofix seating points in the back. Nice boot space with a 60/40 split in the rear chairs for more space. You've also got a flat loading space also, and this model comes with a space saver spare wheel as well. And back round to the passenger's side. Really nice example this, guys, and for more information please visit the website.